Why gut health matters for seniors? With age, digestion slows and gut bacteria diversity decreases. Poor gut health may lead to bloating, constipation, weak immunity, and even mood changes. A balanced gut helps absorb nutrients better, reduces inflammation, and protects against illness. Fermented foods provide probiotics, healthy bacteria, and prebiotics, food for good bacteria. Benefits of fermented foods for seniors: improve digestion, reduce constipation, gas, and bloating. Boost immunity. Healthy gut equals stronger defense against infections. Better nutrient absorption. Help absorb vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, and B vitamins. Reduce inflammation. May help with arthritis and joint pain. Support brain and mood. Gut-brain connection improves memory, lowers risk of depression. Best fermented foods for seniors. Number 1. Yogurt. Easy to digest, rich in calcium and probiotics, supports bone health, and prevents osteoporosis. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties. Add fresh fruits like berries or bananas for natural sweetness. One small bowl, 150 to 200 grams, daily is enough for seniors. Can be eaten as a snack or with breakfast. Number 2. Kefir. More powerful probiotics than yogurt. Thin, drinkable consistency. Great for seniors with chewing/swallowing difficulties. Supports lactose digestion. Drink half to 1 cup daily, preferably in the morning. Can be blended into smoothies with fruits. Best consumed chilled for refreshing taste. Number 3. Sauerkraut. Fermented cabbage, rich in probiotics and vitamin C, helps boost immunity and digestion. Low in calories, good for weight management. Add a spoonful to salads, sandwiches, or soups. Limit to 2 to 3 tablespoons daily due to salt content. Choose unpasteurized sauerkraut for live probiotics. Number 4. Kimchi. Spicy Korean version of fermented vegetables, packed with antioxidants and probiotics. Start small if not used to spicy foods. Enjoy as a side dish with rice or noodles. 2 to 3 tablespoons a few times per week is enough. Look for homemade or fresh kimchi instead of packaged ones. Number 5. Tempeh. Fermented soy product. Firm texture. High in protein. Excellent meat substitute for seniors with reduced appetite. Supports muscle strength. Can be steamed, grilled, or stir-fried with vegetables. Half a cup, about 100 grams, a few times per week, is ideal. Marinate before cooking for better flavor and texture. Number 6. Kombucha. Fermented tea with natural fizz. Improves digestion and energy levels. Choose low-sugar versions. Drink half a glass, 100 to 120 milliliters, once or twice a day. Best consumed between meals, not on an empty stomach. Avoid homemade unpasteurized versions if immunity is weak. Number 7. Pickles. Fermented. Not all pickles are probiotic, only naturally fermented ones. Support digestion and add crunch to meals. Limit salty varieties. Eat 1 to 2 small pieces alongside meals. Can be added to sandwiches, wraps, or salads for flavor. Check labels. Avoid vinegar pickle types as they lack probiotics. Lifestyle tips, alongside fermented foods. Seniors with kidney disease, high blood pressure, or weakened immunity should consult a doctor first due to salt content or raw bacteria. Eat balanced meals with whole grains, lean proteins, and vegetables. Stay active. Light walking improves digestion. Sleep well. Gut bacteria repair overnight. Reduce processed foods and added sugar. They harm gut bacteria.